flying cars, dead.
right now.
That would end.
That window right there, boop, done.
that
What's
would
that red dot?
end traffic.
That's it.
If we can get air cars, like
Woo.
cars in the air,
Well, that just means more.
I don't want to
traffic.
hear
That's
no.
worse.
I don't
That
want to
means
hear
air
no liquor
traffic.
traffic.
That's worse.
That's
How?
worse.
How?
air traffic.
Imagine,
Air
first
traffic?
of all, people already can't drive.
Facts.
Now you're gonna
facts.
put them
No.
in the air.
Because that's what I'm saying. If they're in the air, they have a whole lot of more room to get to where they need to get.
Nah, that's
No.
more people also in the air.
That's more accidents to me.
Yeah, and that's more room for me on the ground while everybody else is in the air.
Crashing
I'm
and
standing-
landing on you.
yeah, think
Facts.
about
Why you
it.
gotta say it like that?
Hey, watch out! Watch out! Oh!
Why you gotta say it like
I'm
that?
saying.
Yeah.
Like,
Which
you-
in tune,
And landing on you.
They crashed and they landed on the road, causing traffic.
On you, causing
that
traffic
hate.
that
Now-
you try to avoid.
Now,
Well, if you're crashing in the air, then you can't drive at all.
That's funny, man.
Now
You
you
can't
gotta-
drive now.
now you got to pay for
Nah,
separate
no one's
insurance.
driving.
Huh? You got to pay for separate insurance.
Oh my god.
For what? Air travel?